So I'm going to show you a pretty cool lighter trick. All you need is the spring, stretch it out all the way. Make a little hook like that. What you need is a flint. Get it, put it on like that, and then just shit. Damn, crap is hard. Whatever, just stretch the spring out and crap. And try to get this on there just like that, to where it's pretty tight. What you're going to do is heat it up to where it becomes red hot. Should take about like 25 to 20 minutes, I think. What? No, minutes, not minutes. Seconds. Just like that. To where it's red hot. And to turn it off is this. Just like that. No shit. Well, whatever. Yeah, just like that. But then when it's red hot, just throw it on the ground. Boom. Whoosh. Everywhere. When it's red hot. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope y'all enjoy.